Double your profit with these 5 digital products to sell during Christmas. This YouTube channel discusses various tutorials about Canva and helps you earn money with Canva, so make sure you give thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to this channel because thumbs up, comments, and subscribe are free, guys. Let's just discuss products that can be your opportunity this Christmas. The first product is a letter to Santa or a letter from Santa. Products like this are very popular with children, and of course parents want to make their children happy by giving gifts and at the same time letters that make their children happy. Let's try to check on the Etsy website by typing the keyword letter for Santa, and there will be a lot of choices of stores that have quite a lot of sales, and one of them is this store, which has about 13,000 reviews, and another store has 26,000 reviews. Let's try to open a store that has 13,000 reviews. It turns out that sales from this store reached almost 200,000 sales, and this is certainly a very big sale. Next, we try to open a store that has 26,000 reviews, and it turns out that sales are far more than the previous store, even reaching 2 times that of the previous store. If we look at the products at a glance, this shop sells letters from Santa along with various bonuses, which in my opinion are quite a lot of bonuses. So there are letters from Santa, certificates, and tags with various variations. So if you want to sell something, then what you have to pay attention to is the bundle package of the product you want to sell, because this greatly affects the sales of your store. If you want to make a digital product like this, it's actually very easy, and you can make it in Canva, but I will discuss how to make it in another video in detail. The next product that you can try is invitations, because usually we often hold celebrations that invite our closest friends before Christmas and celebrate Christmas with family. There are 2 target markets who will most likely buy the invitations that you make. The first target market is children, because usually children like to gather to celebrate Christmas, but of course it is their parents who buy the products you make. So you make designs that are liked by children with cute invitation images, and one example is the product in this Etsy shop. If we observe together, this product is very clear if it will be used for children's parties with various cute ornaments on the invitation, such as deer, houses, and so on. The second target market is adults who want to hold a Christmas celebration party, and an example of a product that is suitable for this target market is this product, and happens to come from the same store, and indicates that he understands who the target market he wants is. If you want to make invitations for adults, then you can make simple, modern, and minimalist invitations. If we look at the sales, there are also around 230,000 sales of the various products he makes, so if you want to make an invitation, then you can observe the products from this shop. Then let's try to make an invitation like this. The first thing you have to do is open the Canva website first. Then we found out what size of paper he used to make such an invitation. We opened the Etsy shop earlier, and it turns out I just realized he uses the templated application. This application is the same as Canva, and you can also use this application if you want. Then we scroll to the bottom and find in the description section what paper size you need is 5" x 7". We go back to Canva and click the Create a New Design button in the top right corner. Then you click the Custom Size button and enter the paper size earlier. Then a display like this will appear, and we just look for the various elements that we need for the design we make. We look for the Elements section with the keyword Christmas tree, and we look for 3 different types of Christmas trees and look good when put together. The design that I will make will focus on children who like cute designs, so after you place the Christmas tree in the upper area, you can add various other elements to beautify the design you make. I will add images of Santa, various gifts, deer, gingerbread man, snowman, and various other elements that I think match the design I made. The placement of each of these elements is random and adjusts to your design taste, because every designer has their taste in design. If you are still a beginner in the field of design, then you can open Etsy or Pinterest and you practice making these designs in Canva. After adding the elements you need for this design, I will add the word holiday party using the text menu on the left. In writing a holiday party, I will combine several fonts that are considered good when combined, so I use Apricot font, Playlist script and Nut for writing a holiday party. Then add a line like the picture on Etsy for the event date. How to add it is quite easy, just click on the element menu and enter the line keyword, then you place the line on the event date writing in the design you made. Then you just need to add some other writing at the bottom such as the address or various words you need for the design you made. Then for the font that I use is random, and I choose the right one for the design I made. After that, you only need to download the work that you have created. Click the share button in the upper right corner and you download the design with the extension JPG or PNG or PDF. So the next product I have for you is a very essential part of a lot of people's lives, and a lot of people cannot go without that through this holiday season. It's a very hectic time of the year and people have a lot to buy, they have a lot to do, they have a lot planned. So you can be a solution to the problems experienced by many people by selling a Christmas planner for them. First, we research what kind of planners on Etsy are and what they offer. We open Etsy and just type in the keyword Christmas planner. You just scroll down and you will find some stores that sell a lot, and there are stores that sell a little, and you can compare what is interesting from stores that sell a lot and sell a little. Let's try to analyze some stores so that you get a clearer understanding. We look at the shops that have a little sales first. Based on my observations, it seems that the products that have the least sales are the less attractive fonts, and the combination of colors and supporting elements such as various images which shows the Christmas atmosphere is also less like a Christmas tree, Santa, snowman, and so on. Let's check the products that sell a lot, and this product has a lot of bundles when compared to the previous product. At this product at a glance, they provide 50,000 stickers and 10,000 planners. This product costs about $12 and the previous product around $6. Of course, with different quality and bundles, I will definitely choose a product that costs $12, so if you make a bundle then make sure to make an interesting one, but you also don't have to make 50,000 stickers or 10,000 bundles either. Let's try to check how much income this product makes, because it seems interesting to discuss. You can check this shop using your rank, Marmalade, Samurai Sale or Alara.io. I use Alara.io. Then you just click Shop Analyzer on the left menu and you enter the name of the store we are discussing. If we look at this store, the biggest sales are the products we are discussing. The estimated income is around 93,000 euros just from this product, and there are around 20,000 people who favor this product, so make sure you make an interesting bundle. If you want to know how to make an interesting planner, then you can check this video of mine. Number 4 that I would like to talk about that I think will be very profitable this Christmas season is tags. Many people are searching for unique and mostly editable tags because they want to create one where they can print them out. If we look at the tags on the Etsy shop, it turns out that there are many shops that have quite a lot of reviews, and we can observe together about these shops. Make sure you analyze stores that only sell digital products, because some shops sell handmade products like this shop. But if you can make handmade like this, then this can be your opportunity. But if you are a beginner, I suggest only digital products so that your expenses are not too big. If we look at the printable tags in this Etsy shop recommendation, then you can learn one by one from each design, because if I take a quick look at the designs here, they are simple but good for use with gifts for your family, so you can try making tags like this with just use Canva. One more thing to discuss is that you can combine this product with your other products like the letter to Santa at the beginning of the video with this tag. Because many sell this tag without a bundle, and this can be a good differentiator between your store and theirs. You can also sell bundles with 13 different tags for Christmas like this, so there are lots of bundles or bonuses that you can give depending on how you combine the products you sell. If you want to design tags for Christmas, actually there are also two segments like in the previous invitation. The first segment is children and the second segment is adults. Products with the children's segment are usually seen from the design of this product, while for the adult segment it can be seen from the design of this product, so make sure the bonus you created earlier also matches the segment you are working on. The last Christmas digital product idea that I want to talk about are kids' coloring pages. You can find a big variety of these on Etsy. I found several designs and we will talk about what I will show here. If the coloring book drawing is complicated, then the target market is adults, but if the drawing from the coloring book is simple, the target market is children. I suggest you make something like this because it's easy to make, and if the bundle he made from this shop contains 5 pictures that your buyer's children can color. You can also combine the tags we discussed earlier with this product, so buy a coloring page Christmas gift tags. So the parents can give a gift containing this coloring book, and there are Christmas tags on the packaging that have been neatly wrapped with Christmas ornaments. You can also combine this coloring book with the invitations that we discussed earlier, but you sell them at the right price so that they are not too expensive or too cheap. If you don't want to make bundles with other products, then you can also increase the number of coloring books that your consumers get, like this product, which has 25 coloring book options. So this can be an option if your target market is small children who really like coloring, because there are so many choices that they can get. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video to let me know what you would like to see next, and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to respond back to you as soon as possible. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.